Today I'll be taking you on an amazing tour of a Queen Creek home for sale. You don't want to miss this one. It could be the perfect home for you. If this is your first time to our channel, my name is Sean Rogers, the lead of the Mr. Rogers Homes real estate team. We make videos all about Arizona. So if you're thinking about relocating to the Valley of the Sun, all of my contact information can be found down below, and we would be happy, actually honored, to get you moving. Without further ado, let's take the tour of this amazing home for sale in Queen Creek, Arizona. If you're considering moving to the Valley of the Sun, please move your cursor to subscribe and click there. Then request your free and beautiful Arizona relocation guide. Until next time, take care. God bless America. We'll talk to you soon.